Nigeria, a nation with over 200 million people, her citizens find it very difficult to express good ideas. So many talents, but no opportunity. Many challenges affecting the national progress and development in Nigeria caused by a factor controlling the political mind, creating the attitude of wrongdoing, the greed, corruption, impunity, according to DNF Theory. It goes like this. Anywhere you hear impure, the factor that controls the politician, which is creating the attitude of wrongdoing, the greed, corruption, impunity, according to DNF Theory. Nigerians, it's time for us to use this golden opportunity to change the Nigerian system for good. No fight, no war, but action of the mind. Enough of this suffering and smiling. We have a factor to control the people's mind, to create the attitude of right doing. We need to come together, one mind, one voice, for a better Nigeria, according to DNF Theory. It goes like this. Wherever you hear hooray, this is the factor that controls the people's mind, that create the attitude of right doing. We need a visionary leadership come 2023, a leader that will build the people to build the Nigeria nation. The question is this: does Nigerians support good ideas? We look forward for Nigerians' support. Implementation, intellectual nourishment platform, Nigerians' voice, training program addressing social problems, health, money, and relationship to create a better nation. This initiative is not about me, but about us. Just be hooray. Thank you and bye for now.